I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. It's over 105 degrees. I'm outside in a black shirt and some ripped shorts. And check out my loafers. Sunny Arizona, in the middle of summer. It's over 110 degrees right now, and I'm standing out here reviewing a repair video. Why? I don't know, not much else to do. 2010 Mercedes S550 that I bought from the auction. I bought it in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm getting ready to put it back on the market for sale because I've had my fun with it, but there is one single issue with this car, a very expensive switch. But here's the sunroof switch itself. There's no replacing the sunroof switch itself, so you have to replace this whole assembly. And the price on this whole assembly is over $1,200, not including the labor. So I decided to buy this switch from a junkyard and repair it myself. I went on eBay and found myself a pre-owned, color to match, light switch with the sunroof switch assembly for only 145 bucks. I'm gonna repair it just before I sell it. Well, I decided to transition into my garage because, as I mentioned earlier, it's over 105 degrees outside and just not about that weather. So as I mentioned, this sunroof switch, let me turn the light off, right here, as you can tell, it's just flimsy and I can't push it forward. I can push it back, but it doesn't go down. It's definitely broken. Anyway, hopefully this will take care of the problem. $135 or so off of eBay. I don't remember exactly what I paid, but it was definitely under 140 bucks, including shipping, and the color is exact. So according to a video that I watched, this should be fairly simple to change out. Okay, well, that's the end of that. Luckily it's not too warm in my garage, so there's 2 screws in here. Why is this so difficult? Oh, it's like a spring. There it is. And then we say that we're supposed to pull it out, down. How far down, I do not know. Well, I hope I didn't break anything. Nope, here it is. These connectors need to be disconnected. With A, and the nice thing is that they're color coordinated. B, C, D. This one you have to move to the side. Oh, okay. So this little lever is a locking mechanism. So you have to unlock it to go undo. And there it is. Before and after. Let's repeat the steps. The first thing is going to be this thing, the way it went in. Okay. We have lights. No, that's not it. There it is. Haha. Oh, I love it. That works. SOS. Now to slide it back and then move this cap out of the way from the rear view mirror, because that's going to come off. Just got to be careful not to break it. That's it. Put the screws back in their position. This cap, everything is plastic. And that's it. Lights work. Okay, I will need to reprogram it because it's not one touch open and close. So that's going to be on my next list, but here is the old again, and it's missing the switch because it's completely broken and installed. So good luck if you have the same issue. And don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll continue making these videos. I buy and sell cars, repair them if they need them, and I'll take you along for the journey with me. Like I said, give me a like, subscribe, and there'll be a lot more repairs and reviews coming up.